to my channel. It is your friendly neighborhood Menace Bunny, and today I thought I'd announce a little project that I'm going to do. So after watching Disposable and Radically Dark do a collab where they made the same top, one thing that made them so strikingly different is that Disposable didn't have a sewing machine, and I thought, what's the point of me doing all these DIYs with the sewing machine if some of my audience doesn't have one? I don't have an overlocker, and I watch other YouTubers use one, and I'm like, oh god, I really need to save up for that. And one day I will, and then I'll get an overlocker, and then I'll be like, now I can do what I want, and I don't have to do any workarounds. So I might even do a series on that later on. But anyway, so I guess the point is that I'm going to try and make a whole outfit without using my sewing machine. So today I'm going to do a top. Sorry, it's so bloody hot. God, it's hot. Okay, so I went thrifting. And I purchased this 100% cotton men's shirt in extra large because, you know, I'm a corpulent, festively plump lady. So yeah, so we're gonna make this look like it's already black, which is great. I might eventually change out these little buttons, but won't do that yet. So what I might do is kind of like cool little vest. It's like, so you can wear it as a vest, or you can wear it as like a little cropped thing. I don't really do crop tops, but one of my New Year's resolutions this year is to be braver. So I guess here goes nothing. Alright, so to start off, let's open the sewing kit, pull out the sharp scissors, the needle and matching thread. And then we'll proceed to cut off the sleeves. Please enjoy the following ASMR. If ASMR isn't for you, please skip ahead 1 minute exactly. So now that that's all done, we're just going to turn in those little ends, and we're going to hand stitch along the original stitches just to hide our work. Alright, so we're all done. So as you can see, I got rid of the sleeves. Got a bit of excess that I need to cut off there, but it's a little bit long, so if I'm going to crop it, I'll just tuck it in, and then not do these little buttons here, then do a little knot there, and so then I've got this little cinched waist going on. Now if this is too long or too masculine and I want to make it more of a v-neck, I just open up there, and if I want to be super cool, I can pop the collar, but I don't think so. I think just like that's pretty good. So that's the DIY for today. I hope you liked it. Like, this is really easily customizable. Like, if you really wanted to, you can put some really cool patches on the back, or like embroider some patches and stuff like that. So I'm sorry, I need to do this. It's so hot here. But you know, I'm actually really happy with this. Possibly more for an autumny thing because it's a little bit thick. But having said that, I'm really digging it. I really like the way this turned out here. And so yeah, this has been part one of how to make a goth outfit without a sewing machine. Alright, so we'll see you in the next one. Okay, thanks for watching.